Hi there, you made it to the Coffee Buzz Club channel. In this video, we will talk about: can coffee help boost your metabolic rate? That shot of espresso keeping you up? I have just the thing for you. Keep your eyes up, and feel that coffee's bitter taste. This long read might spice up your day. How does coffee increase your metabolism? Coffee beans give birth to coffee, the beverage we all love. Caffeine is one of the substances found in coffee. It is one of the many substances that influence the different effects that coffee has on your body. Coffee and metabolism are said to be closely linked since it has been proven that coffee can burn fat due to the increase in metabolic rates. Drinking your staple beverage every morning does more than just fuel your energy, uplift your mood to get you through the day, and even lower your risk of getting diabetes, heart diseases, and Alzheimer's disease. Coffee and weight loss are said to be directly connected. Because coffee has the potential to boost your metabolism, which can aid in attaining your health and fitness goals. Coffee contains substances that rev up your metabolism, including theobromine, theophylline, and chlorogenic acid. These substances affect the way your body absorbs carbohydrates and sugars. In other words, when you drink coffee regularly, your body absorbs sugars and carbohydrates slower than usual. This can help you lose weight and achieve your ideal body weight. Another popular question about coffee is: can coffee increase your metabolism and help you burn fat? Many conducted studies show that coffee is said to be linked with weight loss. Experts like chemists say that caffeine stimulates the nervous system, which sends direct signals to the fat cells, telling them to break down fat. It does this by increasing blood levels of the hormone epinephrine. Epinephrine, also known as adrenaline, travels through your blood to the fat tissues, signaling them to break down fats and release them into your blood. Of course, releasing fatty acids into your blood does not help you lose fat unless you are burning more calories than you consume through your diet. This condition is known as a negative energy balance. You can reach a negative energy balance by either eating less or exercising more. Another complementary strategy is to take fat-burning supplements such as caffeine. What does coffee do to your metabolism? Coffee is good to take in moderation, however, this shouldn't be used solely for losing weight. If you're looking for a morning pre-workout, plain coffee is a great place to start. Caffeine has been shown to increase athletic performance during both prolonged endurance exercise and intense short-term training. So, research supports the idea that coffee is awesome. But there are two important caveats to keep in mind. Don't drink too much coffee and be aware of what you're adding to your cup of coffee. Basically, coffee can do a lot for your body, especially in weight loss. Still, like any other substance, it must be taken in with moderation. Shop for your favorite pack of coffee beans straight from a store near you. Brew a cup or even a tall glass. Just make sure to keep your caffeine content in check. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more coffee addict content.